And I hear the making my temperature the rise. If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I want it. Come she will let make her see you one day. You're my love, one since if you make it bad.